Welcome to digital learning platform of Shri Guru Sudhindra College, course BCA second sem, subject mathematics, and the topic is hyperbola. Hyperbola is the locus of a point which moves so that the ratio of its distance from the focus to its distance from the directrix is greater than 1. That is, E is greater than 1. Next is equation of the hyperbola in the form x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equals to 1. So this is the basic construction of the derivation. Let S be the focus, L be the directrix. Draw SZ perpendicular to L. On SZ, mark the point A dash such that SE divided by AZ is equals to SA dash divided by A dash Z equals to E divided by 1. That means SA equals to EAZ, let it be equation 1, and SA dash equals to EA dash Z, let it be equation 2. Bisect AA dash at C. Take C as the origin, CS produced as x-axis and CY perpendicular to CS as y-axis. Let P of x, y be any point on the hyperbola. Join PS. Draw PM perpendicular to directrix and PN perpendicular to x-axis. Take CA is equals to CA dash is equals to A. So the distance CA and CA dash must be equal, that is A. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get SA plus SA dash equals to EAZ plus EA dash Z. That's equals to E into AZ plus A dash Z. So what is SA? The distance SA is CS minus CA. Similarly, the distance SA dash is CS plus CA dash. And the distance AZ plus A dash Z, AZ plus A dash Z is the distance AA dash, is it? So the distance AZ, A dash Z is the distance AA dash. So the distance AA dash is A plus A, that is 2A. Therefore, 2 into CS equals to E into 2A. So 2 into CS equals to 2 into AE. So CS equals to AE. Therefore, the coordinates of S is AE, 0. Next, taking equation 2 minus equation 1, we get SA dash minus SA equals to E into A dash Z minus AZ. So the distance SA dash minus SA is AA dash and the distance is A dash Z is CZ plus CA dash and AZ is CA minus CZ. So CZ, the distance AA dash is 2A, E is equals to E into CZ plus CA dash minus CA plus CZ. So we know that CA is equals to CA dash, so those two getting cancelled. So 2A is equals to E into 2CZ. So CZ is equals to A divided by E. Therefore, the coordinates of Z is A divided by E, 0. And the equation of the directrix is x equals to A divided by E. Next, by distance formula, PS is equals to square root of x minus AE whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. And from the figure, PM is equals to NZ. So nz is same as Cn minus Cz. So Pm is equals to, the distance Cn is x and the distance Cz is a divided by e. Therefore Pm is equals to x minus a divided by e. Since P is a point on the hyperbola, so PS divided by PM is equals to E. So that is PS is equals to E into PM. Substitute the values. That is square root of x minus AE whole square plus y square is equals to E into x minus AE, A divided by E. So multiply E. So EX minus E into A divided by E getting cancelled. So that is EX minus E. Squaring on both sides, we get x minus A whole square plus y square is equals to EX minus A whole square. So using the formula A minus B whole square, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So apply the formula. So x square plus A square E square minus 2x AE plus y square equals to E square x square plus A square minus 2x AE. So x square minus E square x square plus y square is equals to A square minus A square into E square. So here 2x AE getting cancelled. So x square is common. So x square into 1 minus E square plus y square equals to A square into 1 minus E square. Since E is greater than 1, so 1 minus E square is negative. So multiply throughout by minus 1. So minus x square into 1 minus E square minus y square equals to minus A square into 1 minus E square. So take this minus sign into inside the bracket. So x square into E square minus 1 minus y square is equals to A square into E square minus 1. So divide throughout by A square into E square minus 1 we get. So x square into E square minus 1 divided by A square into E square minus 1 minus y square divided by A square into E square minus 1 equals to E square into A square into E square minus 1 divided by A square into E square minus 1. So here E square minus 1, E square minus 1 getting cancelled. So here it is 1. So x square divided by A square minus y square divided by A square into E square minus 1 is equals to 1. So since E is greater than 1, A square into E square minus 1 is positive. Therefore take A square into E square minus 1 is as B square. Therefore x square divided by A square minus y square divided by B square is equals to 1. So this is the equation of the hyperbola. X square divided by A square minus y square divided by B square is equals to 1. Thank you.